If you clicked on this video, that means you're looking for solutions for your wash day. You probably experience tangles, breakage, and a lot of shrinkage after you wash your hair. On this video, I will be showing you how to wash your hair while you actually reduce the amount of breakage, reduce the amount of tangles, and also experience little to no shrinkage on your wash day. And I'll be giving tips on wash days that you need to know to help save your hair, and also showing you the step-by-step appropriate way of applying products, DIYs, rinses, whatsoever you want to incorporate in your wash day. So if you are new to my channel, do click on that subscribe button, click on that bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Hi everyone, it's your girl Tina Olise. Welcome back to my channel. This was a pre-pull that I did. I used olive oil and my mustard seed oil to actually do a pre-pull. So on your wash days, you have to start on by making sure you do a pre-pull, especially if you have high porous hair, or especially if you find your hair better when you do a pre-pull. So here, the first thing you should know is that you have to section your hair. Putting your hair in sections. Don't go in and start washing your hair all together. Don't do that. First of all, you won't even wash your hair properly because you're going to neglect some parts. So make sure you wet your hair, let your hair soak up water. This step is going to be very necessary. If you have low porous hair, you need your hair to actually take in lots of water. You need to hydrate your hair. Now this is how I stretch my hair while I wash it. A lot of people just go in and start washing their hair, but no, this is how to do it. Make sure that your hair is not tight, it's free. The next is shampoo. You can use DIY shampoos or store-bought shampoo, but personally for me, I do DIY shampoos. Check the link in the description for how I do my DIY shampoo. Wash your scalp and not your hair. A lot of people make this mistake, but just know that whatsoever you're using to wash your hair, don't use your fingernails to scratch your scalp. Make sure to wash your scalp gently, okay? Don't wash your hair, don't apply shampoo on your hair, just apply it on your scalp. Never wash your hair like this. Don't do this. You're going to put a lot of tangles and a lot of breakage to your hair, and your hair is even going to shrink very well. So after the first wash, make sure to rinse. Now never apply shampoo to your ends. I see a lot of people that do this, and it would just give you a lot of breakage. Never ever comb your hair. I see a lot of people in my local salons that do this. Your hair is just going to even break the more. This is how I wash my hair. I use the excess lather from my shampoo on the second wash to just run through my hair and my ends, and that is okay. And then I go on to rinse out all my shampoo. Make sure to rinse out all your shampoo. You don't want to leave any behind. Also, don't overwash your hair. Some people still go in to wash their hair 3, 4, 5 times. You don't need that. Make sure to check your scalp. If you see any greasy whitish film on your hair or your scalp, go ahead and wash your hair again. Especially if you use hair grease, you might need to wash your hair the 3rd time, but just make sure you take your time to wash in small sections. Do this to give your hair a stretch. You can do this after you shampooed each section, or when you are done totally with washing the whole thing, your wash day. But I prefer to do this after I wash to make sure that my hair doesn't have any chance to shrink up nor tangle. So the next part we're going to be going in this video is how to properly align your wash days. Some people make mistakes of applying things at the wrong point of their wash day. So after you shampoo, your deep conditioner goes next for a very basic wash day. When you pre-pull, you wash, and then you put your deep conditioner, and that is it. Here I am using honey, and I can apply this directly on my scalp because it's organic raw honey. I am also using the same oil I use for my pre-pull, which is olive oil and mustard seed oil. If you're using a store-bought deep conditioner, try as much as possible to avoid your scalp. You don't want to be applying a lot of things on your scalp. Let it breathe unless it's 100% organic. Another thing you should know is covering up your deep conditioning. It is a must for low porosity hair, and also using a steamer would go a long way. Make sure to stay for at least 45 minutes before you wash off your deep conditioning. For rinses like black tea, green tea should be used before your deep conditioning because your hair is clean and can literally absorb every nutrient it wants to give. But when it comes to vinegar rinses, this is done after deep conditioning because on your wash day, your shampoos and the process it puts your hair through actually raises your hair cuticle, and vinegar should be done at the last step to lay down those cuticles and make sure that your hair's pH is back to normal. You can choose to use a microfiber towel, an old t-shirt, or just a regular towel to drain out the excess water on your hair. Comment down in the comment section how your fingers look like and feel like after a long wash day, because when I was shooting this video it was actually raining and I felt so cold. So please support your girl by clicking on that subscribe button, clicking on that like button, sharing this video, following me on social media at Tina Olise, following me on TikTok at tina.olise. I still remain your girl Tina Olise, your #1 natural educator. I will see you in my next video. Bye.